How to add smart chain in MetaMask Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add BNB smart chain on your MetaMask wallet. So to do that, first of all, open the MetaMask wallet on your browser. Now you can do this process from both your mobile device on the app or you can do it from your browser. So for this video, I've simply chosen to do it from my browser. Now once you've opened the MetaMask extension, all you have to do is tap on this option. Currently it is saying Ethereum mainnet. So simply tap on it and then you can see that this is the networks option. Now since we want to add the BNB smart chain, we'll tap on the option add network. After that you will be redirected to this page where it will show all of the popular custom networks over here. So as you can see, BNB smart chain is one of them, so you can directly add it by tapping the option add over here. But in case this doesn't show up over here, I'll also show you how you can add the network manually. So to do that, tap on the option add a network manually. After that, where it says network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. To do this, all you have to do is simply open a new tab and then simply type in academy.binance.com. Now, once you go to academy.binance.com, you can see all of the different information such as the network name, the new RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and finally the block explorer URL. So simply copy paste all of them. Now, since the block explorer URL is optional, I'll simply leave this process. Now, once you've entered all of these information, tap on the option save, then tap on the option got it. Now, if you dismiss this and then go to this networks again, you can see that you have successfully added Binance Smart Chain or BNB Smart Chain as your network on MetaMask. So let me show you from the extension as well. Go to MetaMask. And then as you can see, previously it was Ethereum mainnet, but now it is Smart Chain. And there you have it. So that is basically how you add Smart Chain on your MetaMask. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.